Welcome to the video. So today we're going to be covering milestone 1 documentation and problem analysis for milestone 1, which is for the Azani ISP project. Okay. So first of all, we need to know this project is fictional. Azani is not a real company. So it will be serving the purpose of KCSA project in 2026. And this will help us computerize and manage the internet subscriptions, payments, and the school registration. So basically what you're trying to do is to make Azani modern, computerized, automatic, so that we can go from the manual system. Okay. So the background of this problem is because Azani is mostly manual. There are many errors while doing the processes like generating reports. So we need to develop an automated system so that it can be accurate. So this is the background on the problem statement. So on table of contents, this is one of the issues that we'll be handling. So background and problem statements. So another table of contents item is objectives of this system. So what will this system be doing for Azani? So we need to provide some few points, around 5, like registering institutions, managing packages, calculating fees, reports, and applying fines. So the objective is what the system will be solving or what the system will be doing. So we need to highlight like some keywords like register, calculate, and generate to show how this computerized system will be making things easier. So we also need to do a system analysis. A system analysis is showing how this manual system has a lot of errors and is difficult to use, and it uses time, slows down the processes for the clients and the owner. So the system will use a relational database for institution details like IP packages, payments, and installation. So this will obviously improve efficiency. Also remember here we are handling the documentation of Azani ISP. So also the system must have the requirements. So we need to do a check on what this system requires so that it can operate well and efficiently. So there are functional and non-functional requirements. So those are two different categories. You have to check those requirements. So those will also include them on your documentation. You also need to do a feasibility study. A feasibility study basically checks what the whole system requires in terms of hardware and software. If it's good economically, if it saves money, and the operational cost. So this is basically a feasibility study which will be handling the three areas. Okay. So technical, economical, and operational. These are the main features of feasibility studies to help a system run efficiently. You also need to handle the system design. So the system design basically includes DFD diagrams, these are the data flow diagrams, the ERD diagrams, and the flow chart. So this will be showing how the data is linked and such. So there are also things such as keys in these diagrams. So for those who need this particular project, the project is ready. The full project goes for 1,000 shillings. So if you need the project for milestone 1 with the diagrams, flowcharts, how they link, you can reach out. The cost is 1,000. If you only need milestone 1, the price is a bit cheaper, 500. But if you need the fully custom project, that's 1,000. You can reach me on this number highlighted here. Then I'll be able to plug you with the same. The number is there, reach out, and I'll be able to plug you